Hello, and welcome to today's video presentation on using bind mounts with Podman on Oracle Linux 8. This video provides a few demos covering different ways to use bind mounts for Podman container storage. So let us get started. Start by opening a terminal and connect to your host system. In this exercise, the host system is a fully patched Oracle Linux 8 instance on Oracle Cloud Infrastructure. This instance also has the Podman package pre-installed. If you need instructions on installing or running Podman, see our other videos on this topic at oracle.com/go/Oracle Linux Learning under Virtualization and Containers. A bind mount is simply a file or directory on the host machine mounted into the container. One way to leverage a bind mount is to provide access to commands or applications that do not exist within the minimal design of a specified container image. For example, try running the IP command within the Oracle Linux 8-slim image by typing podman space run space --rm space -ti space Oracle Linux : 8-slim space /user /sbin /ip space a. The command fails and displays an error message indicating that the requested file or directory does not exist. To help resolve the error, use a bind mount when running the container. Try again by typing the command podman space run space -v space /user /sbin /user /sbin space --rm space -ti space Oracle Linux : 8-slim space /user /sbin /ip space a. The -v option takes the parameters source and destination separated by a colon. The source is an existing location on the host machine and referenced by its full path. The destination is a location created on demand within the container if not already present and mapped to the source. Hit enter. The command fails again with a different message, displaying an error while loading shared libraries. The new error indicates the container is missing the library listed in the error message. The library mentioned is located in the /user /lib and the /user /lib64 directories on the host machine. As the 8-slim image is a 64-bit Linux operating system, try rerunning the podman command while adding the /user /lib64 mount point to the container. Type podman space run space -v space /user /sbin /user /sbin space -v space /user /lib64 /user /lib64 space --rm space -ti space Oracle Linux : 8-slim space /user /sbin /ip space a. The command executes successfully and displays the loopback and Ethernet adapter for the container. Another example of using a bind mount could be writing log files to the host machine or accessing host-level content with a web application. To demonstrate this example, make a directory by typing sudo space make dir space /opt /data semicolon sudo space chown space oracle dot space /opt /data. The sudo command is necessary as elevated privileges are needed to write to the /opt directory. The chown command changes ownership of the data directory created to the Oracle user ID and group ID to ensure our Oracle user can write to the directory created. As this example needs Python installed, start a container to install Python 3 by typing podman space run space Oracle Linux : 8 space dnf space install space Python 3 space -y. Once Python 3 completes the install, run the podman space ps space -a and copy that container's ID. Using the container ID, create a new image based on the modified container with Python installed. This step is necessary as Podman does not allow adding ports or volumes to an existing container. Complete this step by typing podman space commit space old container ID space new image name, which I called ol8-python. Now start a new container using the ol8-python image by typing the command on the screen. The "p" will create a port forward from 8080 on the host to 8000 within the container. The container will get the name webapp1. The "w" designates the working directory and where to start the command execution. The "v" maps the host directory /opt/data to the container's /opt directory. The /bin/python3 space -m space http.server space 8000 starts a Python program that creates a simple web server listening on port 8000. The web server serves content from its startup directory, which in this case is /opt. Verify the container is running using podman space ps. The output shows the container in a running status along with the port forwards. On the host machine, run the command ll space /opt/data to show the empty local directory. Now use curl space localhost :8080 to show the same within the container /opt directory via the web server. Populate the host machine folder with the files using the script shown on screen. View the contents of the host machine folder again using ll space /opt/data. The script created 10 files in the directory. Repeat the same test using curl to check the containers directory. The files exist there as well. That completes this demonstration of using bind mounts with Podman containers. In this video, we showed two methods to leverage bind mounts. First, we provided access to the host machine programs and libraries that get used within the container. In the second, we pass local storage, which can be written to or read by the container. Thank you for watching this video and enjoy using Oracle Linux 8. Please check our additional information on Oracle Linux 8 in the Oracle Linux 8 documentation or Oracle Linux Learning Library.